step by step, line by line. Welcome to Teach Kids How to Draw. Fine Art Online. It's seriously fun art projects for talented kids who really want to learn how to draw. Hi, I'm Donna Villa, your kid coach and new favorite art teacher. Thanks for joining me today. We are building skills so you can learn how to draw anything you'd like to draw, even if you think you're not a good artist. I will show you how. In this lesson, we will draw a cardinal. So get your thin black markers, your colored markers, or even your colored pencils. This lesson won't take long to do it all. It only has a few lines. And here's the secret. Forget what you're drawing and draw the lines you see on the screen. It's easy. And if the video goes too fast, you can stop it at any time. Ready, set, let's have some fun. Find your spot. That's where we will begin. So look at the dot on your screen and find the same spot on your paper. Be sure to make your image large, and if it goes off the page, it'll look even better. Remember, your artwork will not be perfect. If we wanted it to be perfect, we would take a picture of it with a camera. We wouldn't draw it. Besides, it's the part that's not perfect that makes it so great. That's the part that adds your personality to your work. It makes it your own. Sometimes, though, there might be lines that you're not pleased with. Don't worry about those lines. Just continue with your drawing. At the end, you will see the lines may not look so bad. But if they do, you can always turn them into something else for a no mistakes way to draw. We're ready to start. So start with an oval shape for the eye. Now fill in that shape and take away all the white space. Add another curved line for the side of the beak. Time to draw on your own now, but not to worry. I'll be sure to jump in for the tricky parts. Add a few curved lines for the branches and you're done. Awesome. You have done a terrific job. I am so proud of you. Now, how will you finish? Remember, you are the artist. Congratulations, you did it. Great job. I hope you've enjoyed my lesson. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and write your comments below. You can even snap a photo of your work and post it on my Facebook page. Just search on Facebook the @TKH2 draw. There you can upload and ask me to take a look. I'd love to see what you've done. You can ask me questions there too. Now, make time to practice. The more you draw, the better your artwork will be. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me. I hope we can draw together again real soon.